Hi, my name is Adikuna and my metric number is 288763, and now I will do a video presentation explaining the answer for the assignment 5 for Introduction to Mathematical Economics. So the first question is to determine whether function fx equal to x cube minus by 6x squared plus 18x minus 18 is concave outward and where it is concave downward. So for the solution, we will be using the power rule to find the derivative, and then we will get the first derivative, which is fx equal to x cube minus by 3x squared plus 12x minus by 18, and for the second derivative we will get the 6x minus by 12. The next step is to find the interval. So in order to find the interval, we must first set the second derivative equal to 0 to solve the equation. So the answer will be x equal to 2. So the interval is negative infinity to 2 and 2 to positive infinity. So for the third step is to find the concavity. In order to find the concavity, we need to substitute any number from the interval into the second derivative and evaluate to determine the concavity. So for the interval negative infinity to 2, we'll substitute with number 0 and we will get the answer, which is negative 12, while the interval 2 to positive infinity, will substitute with number 4 and we will get answer 12. So in conclusion, the graph is concave down on the interval negative infinity to 2 because the derivative is negative, while the graph is concave up on the interval 2 to positive infinity because the derivative is positive. So for the next question, suppose that the cost function for manufacture is given by Cx. Describe the behavior of the marginal cost function. First Roman is to find the marginal cost function, and second Roman we need to describe the behavior of the marginal cost function, whether concave outward or concave downward, and then prove your answer. So for the first question, we need to find the marginal cost function. The solution is, the first step is we need to find the marginal cost function. So we know that marginal cost is equal to dc over dx, which will get the answer, which is 0.000003x squared minus 0.006x plus 5. The next question is to describe the behavior of the marginal cost function, whether concave outward or concave downward. Prove your answer. So the solution is, first we need to find the second derivative, which we will get 0.000006x minus by 0.006. After that, we need to find the interval. So we set the second derivative equal to 0 in order to solve the equation, which we will get the answer is x equal to 1000. So the interval is negative infinity to 1000 and 1000 to positive infinity. So for the last step is we need to find the concavity. So we substitute any number from the interval into the second derivative and evaluate to determine the concavity. For the interval negative infinity to 1000, we will get the answer, which is negative 3 over 1000, and for the interval 1000 to positive infinity, we will get the answer negative 3 over 500. So in conclusion, the graph is concave down on the interval negative infinity to 1000 because the second derivative is negative, while the graph is concave up on the interval 1000 to positive infinity because the second derivative is positive. The last question is, a company has established that the revenue function in ringgit measure is Rx and the cost function in ringgit measure is Cx. So we need to find the level of production that will yield a maximum profit for the company and find the price per unit to maximize the profit. So for the first Roman question, we need to find the level of production that will yield a maximum profit for the company. So the solution, the first step is we need to find the profit function. The formula is profit function equal to revenue function minus by cost function, and we will get the answer, which is negative x cubed plus 21x squared minus 72x plus 800. And after that, we need to find the first derivative, which is equal to negative 3x squared plus 42x minus 72. The next step is to find the critical point. First, we need to set the first derivative equal to 0 in order to solve the equation, which we will get the answer x equal to 2 and x equal to 12. Next, to find the exact unit that maximizes the profit, we need to find the second derivative, and the answer is equal to negative 6x plus 42. So to identify the minimum or maximum point, we will use the second order conditions. So when x equal to 2, we will get the answer 30, which is greater than 0, so it is a minimum point. While when x equal to 12, we will get the answer is negative 30, which is less than 0, so it is the maximum point. So with all this result, we will conclude that at x equal to 12, the company will yield a maximum profit for the company. So the last question is, we need to find the price per unit to maximize the profit. The solution is, first we need to find the price per unit, which the formula is revenue over number of units, and then we will get the answer 2x squared plus 40x plus 8. After that, we need to find the price per unit for maximum profit. We will substitute the x with 12 since 12 is the maximum point. So we will get the answer is 776. In conclusion, the price at 776 per unit is the unit profit will be maximum.